going to do a little extra scout work today. We're going to stay up late and watch and see if Abby goes to bed on time. Only naughty children stay up past their bedtime. With Christmas right around the corner, you sure don't want to be put on the naughty list now. Make sure you stick around to the end of my vlog today. I have a few extra shout-outs. Okay, before I go check on Abby, I'm a little hungry. How about I make me a ham sandwich? I love leftover ham from Thanksgiving. Alright, it's gotta be in here somewhere. Mashed potatoes, green bean casserole, pumpkin pie. There it is. Glorious honey baked ham. Oh boy, this ham is heavier than it looks. I like cold ham, but a nice piece of warm ham? Sure warms my belly. Now, up into the microwave for a couple minutes. There we go. Now just set it to high. Add 3 minutes to the timer. I'll be eating like a king in no time. Oh no, someone's coming. Where do I hide? I have no time.
Someone has started warming up some ham.
No, wait. Help, I'm out here. It's me, Rupert. Let me out of here. Oh boy, what a day. I learned my lesson today. Stay away from microwaves. I guess the secret's out now. Elves are made of sugar, candy, sweets, and everything nice. Okay, what do you say we get some shout-outs done? Shout out to Jim and Bryson, Allison, Deborah, and Jeff. Alright, my little elfers, that's it for today. I'll see you all tomorrow, and remember, be nice and not naughty, and make every day Christmas.